coming from school. She was crossing a young forest. On the way, she was looking with admiration at the nature around her. She suddenly noticed that such tree bent to one side. She approached and asked,
"Hello, little tree. I said, are you needing help?"
"Hello, little girl. How nice of you to ask. Yes, I'm sad and ill. The pollution will suffocate us and everything is dirty. People destroy us, destroy forests and throw garbage everywhere.
Can't you do anything?"
We try to clean the air, but we can't help ourselves. We need people to protect us."
I want to be a good friend of the nature, so I do as much as I can.
Then the little girl starts collecting the garbage around the tree, then wets it carefully. She tries cleaning the dried leaves and pests. At the end, she hugs the tree.
Thank you for the help.
Thank you for the lesson. I'll visit you again soon.